Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix Instagram story quality. To know how to fix Instagram story quality, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Instagram here. And when you will see this page, you will go down to click first stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page, you will click clear cache, and then you will click clear data. And after all that, you can update your application so that you can know how to fix Instagram story quality. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.